OpenAI introduced a long-form question-answering AI called ChatGPT that answers complex questions conversationally. It's a revolutionary technology because it's trained to learn what humans mean when they ask a question. Many users are awed at its ability to provide human-quality responses, inspiring the feeling that it may eventually have the power to disrupt how humans interact with computers and change how information is retrieved. ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5. It has a remarkable ability to interact in conversational dialogue form and provide responses that can appear surprisingly human. Large language models perform the task of predicting the next word in a series of words. The CEO of OpenAI is Sam Altman, who previously was president of Y Combinator. 3.5 was trained on massive amounts of data about code and information from the internet, including sources like Reddit discussions, to help ChatGPT learn dialogue and attain a human style of responding. ChatGPT was also trained using human feedback, a technique called reinforcement learning with human feedback, so that the AI learned what humans expected when they asked a question. Training the LLM this way is revolutionary because it goes beyond simply training the LLM to predict the next word.